Hey guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing a car shield and its warranty, okay? So first of all, I'll start with the pros and then the cons. So first, they are flexible. You can, take your car to your own mechanic instead of being forced to use a specific shop. And, they do let you get direct payments. So CarShield pays the shop directly. You don't have to wait to be reimbursed. So that's a big relief. And there's added benefits. For example, things like I would say roadside assistance and car rental reimbursement as well. When your car breaks down on a road trip, these are lifesavers. Also, customer service. Now we're getting into the cons. That's the pain point, okay? You would spend a lot of time on the phone, and some of the customer service reps are a bit inconsistent with their information. And we also get into claim denial issues because my mechanic mentioned that CarShield is notorious for trying to find reasons to deny a claim, and you have to push back on them a couple of times. You really need to know your contract. And let's get into fine print because you are going to learn the hard way that you need to read every single word of your contract to understand what's covered. Okay? But that goes across the board on all insurance plans. But just keep that in mind while making a decision. And if you found this review helpful, you appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.